Hi all folks, this is Max from RazrRoot.com. So today we're going to back up our current ROM. This is what you should do before installing another ROM. This basically backs up your whole ROM kernel, your apps, everything. To do this, you can do this with Bionic Bootstrap, or I recommend SafeStrap. If you don't have SafeStrap installed, I highly recommend you to install it. And this guide is based on for SafeStrap because it's a lot safer. So once you install the SafeStrap, you should be able to reboot and get into your Clockwork Mod recovery, the recovery portion. So we're going to do that. So just power off. And for those of you who have SafeStrap installed, you should get an option to enter recovery when you reboot. So let me power up and let's enter recovery. SafeStrap is highly recommended because it allows you to enter recovery during boot. So here, hit the menu button to enter the recovery. And in recovery, we're going to back up our whole ROM. Make sure Safe System says it's disabled. Let me adjust the camera real quick. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Backup and Restore using the volume down button. And hit the power button. And it's on backup, so hit the power button again. And you have a choice to back up to the internal or the external SD card here. I highly recommend you to do it on the external SD card because you can always move it to your hard disk, move it to another Droid Razr. So let's do that. You can always access it and hit the power button. Say yes. So this is going to back up your whole system. And once you've got all that backed up, you can install ROMs, break your phone, and you can always restore it back to your original, probably stock rooted ROM. Always have also when you unroot it, you can always flash your old stock ROM and simply unroot it. It makes everything a lot simpler. So this should take about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna just let it do its thing, and when we come back, our system should be backed up, and we can always enter recovery and use the restore feature to restore. So I'll be back. Hi folks, so you should get all this stuff, backing up system, backing up data. That's fine. Once you get backup complete, you're all done, and anytime you want to restore back to your older ROM, just go back to backup and restore and go to restore and choose external or internal, wherever you put your folder to, and it says non-safe-2011-12-17.21.58.41, so that shows you the date and the time. So you can actually copy this whole folder. It should be, I'm not sure what it's under, but it's not somewhere in your external storage. And you can copy it over to your computer if you don't want to take up space in your SD card. Copy it back, That's about it. And next, we're gonna go install a new ROM. So that's how you back up and restore ROMs. All right, see y'all later. Subscribe.